Hi guys, I'm gonna drink now a little bit of the drive of the one the funny flavor. So the red type, the funny flavor tastes like bubblegum, but is the bubblegum flavor. But the red one is a nice flavor, guys. Let's try this one, okay? See? See? Just a little bit in there, guys. I'm just not joking. Let's try it. Okay, guys. That was the white flavor, funny flavor. Tastes like the other drive. So, okay, guys, bye.